In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check medical insurance status with Emirates ID. We'll be using the Daman website to look up the status of an insurance application, and the process is quite simple once you know where to click. If you want to confirm whether your medical insurance request is being processed, approved, or still pending, this method can help you check it quickly online. Start by going to the Daman website. Once the homepage loads, look for the Manage Insurance section. This area is where Daman provides tools related to policies, applications, and follow-up services, so it's the right place to begin if you need to check an insurance-related request. After that, click on View Online Application. This will take you closer to the part of the website where you can either submit or review application details. On the next page, you may see information about application support timings and a note explaining that applications can be submitted during certain hours. Don't worry if that page seems a little informational at first. Just continue by clicking the link that says here. That link will open the application status follow-up page. This is the page you need because it allows you to check the progress of your request directly. You should see a section asking you to follow up on the status of your request. Now enter your application reference number in the required field. Make sure you type it exactly as it appears on your application receipt or confirmation, because even a small mistake can prevent the system from finding your record. Next, enter your Emirates ID, passport number, or visa number in the second required field. If you're specifically checking with your Emirates ID, this is where you'll enter it. Be careful to use the correct number format and double check for any missing digits before moving on. Once both fields are completed, click View Application. The system should then display the current status of your medical insurance application. Depending on your case, you may see whether it is under review, completed, approved, or if any additional action is needed. If the page doesn't return a result, review the details you entered and try again carefully. It also helps to make sure you're using the correct application reference linked to that Emirates ID or other document number. That's all you need to do to check your medical insurance status with Emirates ID through the Daman website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.